Jesus, Paul, and the early church proclaimed truth calmly, compassionately, and consistently. When persecution came, they endured it. When peace was possible, they lived peacefully. Romans 12:18. If it is possible, as much as depends on you, sa giingon, live peaceably with all men. So, pagbutang sa balanse, truth is proclaimed clearly without provocation, manipulation, or hostility. Taas pa ang tali ka ng persecution complex, but I just have to end it there. Thank you, Pastor.
Thank you, Pastor, for that wonderful. Yeah. Si Doc Casio, si Doc.
Guiding principle, when persecution will come to us, some of us will be persecuted. Kung sa and we are persecuted, but you don't commit sin when you fight back. Suko ka, bro, huwag ka kasala. Saan mo? Suko ka ba? You say, kung sa may gihimo ni Jesus Christ, persecuted, no? He loves the one who is persecuting. But he does not like the behavior. Attack, guiding principle of me. Soon and very soon, all of us will succumb to that kind of trials and challenges, persecuted. Remember that God loves the sinners, like us. So likewise, the same principle that we have to adopt. Love the one who did it for you, but hate the behavior of that person who being persecuting you. Because that's what God hates so much. The behavior, but not the person. Then, pilit ka kasala. Nasuko ka tumayo, kaya nag-fight back. Suko ka, pero huwag ka kasala because you attack the behavior rather than the person.
Thank you very much. At this moment, should be our closing song.
For closing song, our souls can sing when we all get to heaven. Hymn number 441.
Uy, naunay kayo eh. Congrats. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.